Hello everybody, ako si Ashton Olviga. Ito si
Andres Mula,
Andres. What is your favorite Filipino food?
Tinola, at adobo. Hey Ashton, what is your favorite Filipino food?
Hulaan mo.
Sinigang?
Oh, how'd you know that? Guys, salmon sinigang. Paborito ko yan. That's my favorite. Diba, Ash?
Mm.
Can you please tell us about your hobbies or any sports if you play any sports?
Badminton.
So badminton, favorite sport mo yan?
Super favorite. Ikaw, dami to.
I'll have to say basketball at golf. Okay, would you please like to tell us what your shoe size is?
7. Ikaw, anong shoe size mo?
Guess mo. Sige pa. Taasan mo pa. Oh, perfect. What is your motto in life?
Time is gold.
So kung yung answer mo is time is gold, my motto in life is gold is time. Yung ano? Gold is time. Alam mo kung bakit, guys? Time well spent. Yeah.